In Japan right now, everyone is buying up this device that takes care of your hair all by itself. These are the only hair dryers that don't burn your hair. They measure the temperature every second and adjust the mode for the roots, length, and ends. That's why there's no static, your hair gets a mirror-like shine, it doesn't get over-dried, and it's lighter than a Dyson. Japanese women wash their hair with a special shower head that turns water into millions of microbubbles. These microbubbles draw out sebum and tiny dirt particles from the scalp, so hair stays clean longer and the skin feels velvety like after a spa treatment. But the brand's real hit is their hair brushes. They can detangle even curly hair. Bristles of different lengths massage the scalp, stimulate hair growth, and reduce frizz. You can even brush wet hair without causing damage. You can order without any markup on the JSM-Japan website. Find them by name in the website search or on Telegram.